Politicians should be alive to the fact that freedom comes with responsibility. As women of Kenya, we demand simple decency and civility and respect to women in general. Thank you.
Asante sana. We are here because we would want to put our voice as the women of Kenya, the women that takes care of our livelihoods in our individual homes, and we have our rights, and we are not second-class citizens of this republic. And therefore, the rights that have been enshrined in the Constitution of Kenya must be protected, and we are here to protest the verbal utterances that we have been listening to coming from our leaders just because of some political energy that is negative energy that we do not appreciate in this country. And therefore, we note that the insightful utterances that are a recipe for political confusion, chaos, and regional hatred that result to bloodshed, which affects mostly women, children, and the vulnerable, are not acceptable in future. As such, as women of Kenya, we demand stern legal action against the perpetrators, and we also demand for an apology to the mother of the nation, Her Excellency Mama Ngina Kenyatta. She does not qualify to be bashed politically. All I know, in the history of this republic, she has never appeared in any ballot box as a candidate, and therefore she should not be involved and engaged in political, messy, verbal exchanges. And we do note that the people who are speaking the way they are speaking, somebody is behind their speeches. We want to know the motive. Let's put everything on the table. Huu ni mwaka wa kuambiana ukweli. Tuambiane ukweli. Sisi tumekasirika kama wamama, tumesikia uchungu kama wamama, na hakuna ambaye amezaliwa na mama angetaka mama yake aingizwe kwa uchafu wa siasa. Kwa hivyo wamama wetu wapatiwe heshima, and haswa wamama ambao wamefanya kazi tele kuhakikisha ya kwamba Kenya yetu imefika pahali imefika. Mama Ngina Kenyatta, Her Excellency, is a mother of this nation. She has sacrificed so much in her life to become who she is and for us to be where we are as a nation. And therefore, we demand an apology from the two members of parliament who have mentioned Her Excellency Mama Ngina Kenyatta in the murky of politics of Kenya.